Next example, find the separate equation of the lines 3x square minus 2 root 3xy minus 3y square equal to 0. Dividing throughout by x square. So we get 3 minus 2 root 3y upon x minus 3y square upon x square equal to 0. Let y upon x equal to m. Therefore, y upon x is replaced by m. 3 minus 2 root 3m minus 3m square equal to 0. So, this can be written as 3m square plus 2 root 3m minus 3 equal to 0. So, multiplication minus 9 and their addition is equal to 2 root 3. So, there we get two factors 3 root 3 and minus root 3. Okay. So, 2 root 3m can be written as 3 root 3m minus root 3. So 3m common, m plus root 3 minus root 3 common, m plus root 3 equal to 0. 3m minus root 3, m plus root 3 equal to 0. So we get two equations 3m minus root 3 equal to 0, m plus root 3 equal to 0. Put m is equal to y upon x. So here 3m is equal to root 3. M is replaced by y upon x. 3y upon x root 3. Therefore 3y minus root 3 x. Therefore root 3x minus 3y equal to 0. Second equation m plus root 3 again. M is replaced by y upon x. Y upon x plus root 3 equal to 0. Therefore simplifying we get y plus root 3x equal to example 0. X square plus 2 cosec alpha xy plus y square equal to 0. Divide by x square. Therefore 1 plus 2 cosec alpha y upon x plus y upon x bracket square equal to 0. Again this equation is replaced by y upon x is replaced by m. Therefore 1 plus 2 cosec alpha m plus m square equal to 0. This equation can be written as m square plus 2 cosec alpha m plus 1 equal to 0. Here we use observe this equation that you can't easily factorize. So here we use the formula for quadratic equation, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So here b, the value of b which is equal to 2 cosec alpha. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 cosec alpha plus or minus 4 cosec square alpha minus 4. You know, b square minus 4 ac, because the value of a and c which is equal to 1, only the value of b, that is a 2 cosec alpha. Therefore square of this b square 4 cosec square alpha minus 4 upon 2a, again a which is equal to 1, minus 2 cosec alpha plus or minus 4 common. Therefore we get 2 cosec square alpha minus 1, and we know that cosec square alpha minus that is a cot square alpha. Therefore minus 2 cosec alpha plus or minus 2 cot alpha upon 2 cancel. Therefore we get m1 cosec alpha plus cot alpha, m2 minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha. Again m is replaced by y upon x. Therefore we get y is equal to cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x. Here again y upon x, m2 replaced by y upon x. Therefore y is equal to minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x. So these are the separate equation of the line. Next, that is the degree of a term. The sum of indices of all variable in a term is called as a degree of the term. Okay? So for example, x square plus 3xy plus 5x plus 2. No? So the degree of x square which is equal to 2, because the indices which is equal to index which is equal to 2. Here again degree of this term which is equal to 2, x, the degree of x1, degree of 1 y. Therefore sum of indices 2. Therefore again the degree of this term is equal to 2. Here degree of term which is equal to 1, x raised to 1. Therefore degree of 5x which is equal to 1. The degree of 2, that is a 0, because 2 can be written as 2 into x raised to 0. Therefore, the degree of constant term which is equal to 0. So degree means the sum of indices. Here x square index which is equal to 2. Therefore degree 2. Here x into y. Therefore x is 1, y is 1. Therefore again degree 2. 5x degree 1. 2 that is a constant term. The degree of constant term is always 0. Next, that is a homogeneous equation. Definition: an equation in which the degree of every term is the same is called as a homogeneous equation. Now, for example, x square plus 3xy plus y square equal to 0. So in this equation, degree of every term is 2. The degree of x is equal to 2. This term is also 2. This is also 2. So this type of equation is called as a homogeneous equation. Means every term have a same degree. Similarly here, second, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube equal to 0. So what is the degree of this equation? That is a 3. Each and every term has a degree 3. Therefore, which is called as a homogeneous equation. Okay. Next one, ax square plus 2xy plus by square equal to 0, which is a joint equation of line passing through origin, which is also homogeneous. Observe here, this is also homogeneous because x square, xy and y square, which is a homogeneous equation, and joint equation passing through the origin, which is a homogeneous equation. M1 and M2 are the slopes of line, then M1 plus M2, sum of the slopes is equal to minus 2h upon b, M1 into M2 a upon b. अगर ये इक्वेशन है जॉइंट इक्वेशन ax स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस by स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0 एंड m1 m2 उनका स्लोप है, तो रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस स्लोप्स m1 प्लस m2 विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2h अपॉन b, m1 into m2 a upon b. Okay. Now we will see the examples. Find the combined equation of the combined equation of a pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square equal to 0. अभी हमें ये इक्वेशन दिया है, ये हमें इसका जॉइंट इक्वेशन ही फाइंड करना है, लेकिन इसको जो परपेंडिकुलर है उसका जॉइंट इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. तो सी ऑब्जर्व हियर a इज इक्वल टू, इसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे इससे ax स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर, इससे कंपेयर करेंगे. तो कंपेयर करने के बाद a इज इक्वल टू 5, 2h विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8, b इज इक्वल टू 3. b is equal to 3. Okay. So m1 and m2 are the slopes of line. m1 plus m2. अभी m1 plus m2 उसका फॉर्मूला का है माइनस 2h अपॉन b. माइनस 2h अपॉन b is equal to, what is the value of 2h? That is a minus 8. So minus minus plus 8 upon 3. Similarly m1 into m2 a upon b. The value of a that is a 5 and b which is equal to 3. Since अभी हमें required line क्या है? Required lines are perpendicular, and we know that if two lines are perpendicular, their slopes can be find reciprocal and sign will be changed. अभी m1 m2 जो है वो हमारे जो गिवन लाइन है उसका स्लोप है, तो उसके जो परपेंडिकुलर है वो क्या आएंगे? माइनस वन अपॉन m1 एंड माइनस 1 अपॉन m2. Okay. So therefore required lines also passes through the origin. पॉइंट सेम है, सिर्फ वो क्या है? स्लोप चेंज होंगे. Therefore their equations are, we know the equation of line passing through the region y is equal to mx. Okay, so slope y is equal to minus 1 upon m1x and y is equal to minus 1 upon m2x. Therefore x plus m1y is equal to 0, x plus m2y is equal to 0. Combine equation x plus m1y, x plus m2y equal to 0. सिंप्लीफाई किया इसको, x स्क्वायर प्लस m1 प्लस m2 xy प्लस m1 m2 y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. एंड वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ m1 प्लस m2. Yes, what is the value of m1 plus m2? That is a 8/3. पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे m1 plus m2 is replaced by 8/3 xy and m1 into m2 which is replaced by 5/3 y square. Therefore 3x square plus 8xy plus 5y square equal to 0, which is a required equation of the line which is perpendicular to the given line. Next example, find k if the sum of the slopes of lines represented by x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0 is twice their product. So given equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0. Comparing equation with ax square plus 2xy plus by square equal to 0. कंपेयर करेंगे, ये जो इक्वेशन दिया है हमें एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस के एक्स वाई माइनस 3y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0, इसको कंपेयर दिस. सो कंपेयर दिस, a इज इक्वल टू 1, 2h which is equal to k, b which is equal to minus 3, and we know that m1 plus m2 which is equal to minus 2h upon b. What is the value of 2h? That is a k. So minus k upon minus 3 which is equal to k upon 3. m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b is equal to minus 1 upon 3 according to the given condition. Yes, what is the given condition? That the sum of the slopes which is equal to twice their product. Therefore m1 plus m2 which is equal to 2 into m1 into m2, and we know the value of m1 plus m2 k upon 3, m1 into m2 minus 1 upon 3, 3 cancel, we get k is equal to minus 2. So in this way we can find the value of k. Second example, find k if the sum of the slopes represented by 3x square plus kxy minus y square equal to 0 differ by 4. मीन्स डिफरेंस यहाँ पे अभी डिफरेंस दिया हमें m1 माइनस m2 विच इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, अगेन कंपेयर करेंगे इसको. a इज इक्वल टू 3, 2h विच इज इक्वल टू k, b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1, m1 प्लस m2 माइनस 2h अपॉन b विच इज इक्वल टू k, m1 into m2 that is a upon b is equal to 3 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So we are given m1 minus m2 which is equal to 4. डिफरेंस दिया हमें m1 minus m2 which is equal to 4, उसका स्क्वायर किया m1 minus m2 square which is equal to 16. Okay, so m1 minus m2 square can be written as, इसको m1 plus m2 square minus 4 m1 into m2, इसको एक्सपांड करने के बाद हमें क्या मिलेगा, m1 plus m square plus 2m1 m2 plus m2 square, 2m1 m2 minus 4m1 m2 that is a minus 2. Therefore this can be expressed in this form which is equal to 16, and we know the value of m1 plus m2. What is the value of m1 plus m2? That is a k. So k square minus 4 into, what is the value of m1 into m2? Minus 3. So 4 into minus 3 which is equal to 16. K square which is equal to 4. K is equal to plus or minus, k square which is equal to 4. So k is equal to plus or minus 2. Sorry, plus or minus 2. Next example, find k slope of one of the lines given by kx square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0 exceeds the slope of other by 8. सेम यहाँ पे अभी दिस एग्जाम्पल एंड दिस एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पे डिफर बाय 4 दिया है, यहाँ पे क्या दिया डिफरेंस की जगह एक्सीड्स द स्लोप ऑफ अदर बाय 8 मीन्स m1 माइनस m2 विच इज इक्वल टू 8 हियर. कंपेयर दिस, a is equal to k, 2h which is equal to 4, b which is equal to minus 1, m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b, 4 m1 into m2 a upon b which is equal to minus k. We are given m2 which is equal to m1 plus 8, but m1 plus m2 क्या फाइंड किया हमने 4 है ना. So m1 plus 8 which is equal to 4, 2m1 plus 8 which is equal to 4 minus 8 that is a, therefore 4 minus 8 minus 4, 2m1 which is equal to minus 4, m1 which is equal to minus 2, and m1 into m2 minus k. Okay, so m1 का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा, हमने m2 का निकाला था minus 2, बट जो कंडीशन दिया है m2 विच इज इक्वल टू m1 प्लस 8 है ना. सो m1 विच इज इक्वल टू -2 किया, -2 प्लस m2 का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा m1 प्लस 8, देयरफॉर -2 प्लस 8 विच इज इक्वल टू -k, -2 into 6 which is equal to -k, therefore k which is equal to 12. In this way we can find the value of k.